The Genesis X Convertible concept debuted at the 2022 Los Angeles Auto Show to imagine a sleek, luxurious drop-top for the premium brand. According to a new report, the brand intends to put it into production. Luke Donkerwoke, the brand's chief creative officer, allegedly made the announcement about the X Convertible going on sale at the annual Genesis meeting. When he said that at the dealer meeting, to say it in front of a couple of hundred Genesis dealers, that's a pretty good sign. Peter Lanzavecchia, the chairman of the Genesis National Dealer Advisory Council, told Automotive News. The production version of the X Convertible concept would be a halo for the Genesis brand. Sales volume would be low, but the model would express what's possible from the premium mark. I don't know if it's going to be over $200,000 or $300,000, but I guarantee we're going to see a lot of Bentley Continental convertible trade-ins on that when it comes to our showrooms, Lanzavecchia said to Automotive News. The X Convertible wears Genesis athletic elegance design language. It features a long hood and a short rear deck. An arching body line connects these elements. The front features a pair of light strips where the lower one comes to a point in the center of the nose to create the outline of the brand's shield-shaped grille from earlier vehicles. For the concept, the X Convertible had a high-tech folding hardtop. When not open, there was a transparent moonroof that still gave occupants a look at the sky. The vehicle's cabin included a driver-focused cockpit. The bezel for the digital display bent around the pilot. It had an eye-catching appearance but didn't seem useful for passengers wanting to touch the screens because they'd have to reach over the pillar. The X Convertible was the third in a series of concepts from Genesis. The X and X Speedium Coupe preceded it. All of them have been EVs. However, the brand hasn't outlined any specifics about the powertrain. Hyundai Motor Group has upgrades coming to its electric global modular platform that underpins EVs from the Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis brands. A third-generation silicon carbide power module will offer greater energy efficiency, which will improve performance, range, and charge times.